Hello. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training series. In the previous session, we have discussed about the AMDP. What is this AMDP, guys? Okay. Previous to that, we have already discussed about serious use also. Okay. So, what is this AMDP? ABAP Management Data Procedure. We have discussed what are role of these words and all of those things. Okay. Now, for example, if we have a requirement and that requirement says, that requirement says update the update standard table field. Okay, update standard field table field using AMDP. For example, this is what we are going to develop today. So I will create one AMDP, then I will consume that into my report, and then we will see how can we, yeah, then we will discuss how can we update to do that. Okay, so let me log into the Eclipse. Yeah, so we are already logged in. This is what we have discussed in our previous session. Now, without wasting time, I will go and create one more class. New class. Okay. Yeah. So give the name as, okay. One second. Give the name as ZCL AMDP update table. Okay. Tab. Update is update table DB table using AMDP. Okay. It's a very interesting topic. You can check this. Now, what I will do is click on finish finally. So you can see our class is retrieved. Okay. Give me a moment. Yeah. So first one is just directly go and give the interface there. Give me a minute. One second, guys. It's loading. Okay. Yeah. Go there. It's there. The interfaces. If what is that interface, guys? AMDP marker underscore XDB. Okay. This is my interface name. Then let's declare some structure. Okay. So what I want is, wait a minute. Let me go into the backend first. I will show you something. Okay. Uh, yeah. I will go to EKO. Here in the previous session, we have seen like there is no data inside that customer field. Right? Inside the customer field, there is no data. What I want is, if I want to update that customer data with some details, okay. So what can I do in that case? Okay, give me a moment. Where is it? Uh, Now, yeah, look. So there is no data, one and one only there. If I want to update this purchase order number with this customer till I want to update, then what I will do? So just go in the front end and go to the identity and create a structure which will contain my purchasing document and my customer fields. I will go there at begin of TY EKA, that is TY EKKO. You can give the end of TY EKKO. Give here your field name. I want EBELN. Type. Second type EKKO का EBELN. Then I will give here the customer field. Okay. Type EKKO KU and an fine. So this is what I will create in one structure. Now let's create a table type. I will give here as TT EKKO type. Once again, let me read down. Type table of TY EKKO. Okay. Fine. Will stop TY EKKO. Okay. Then let's declare one structure, method. What this method will do? inside this method, we will write some logic over there. Okay, so we write a method, for example, update customer. Okay, so what are the parameters? Pass by value parameters only we can use. Okay, we will use importing value. So as I told in the previous session, this is we are doing at the database level. Okay, so we have to give the client number also. If IVMANDT type SYMANDT. Okay, then here what I want is I want to pass the specific purchase order number. Okay, or I will pass the okay, firstly I will pass, if I will pass the purchase document number only. So what I will do is value IV underscore MANDT, sorry, IV underscore EBLN type. So we have to give here also my table type. So let's give the declare one table type here. Types give here as TT range EBLN type table of. So what is that table? For that is standard table is EBE range underscore. I will go here and you can find out E and second EBELN. Okay, so it will be a table type now. What is TT range EBLN? Okay, give here the type as TT underscore range underscore EBLN. Okay, I hope this concept is clear, guys. Clear? Now I want to export what by passing this EBLN. What I want to export is I want my exporting parameter value. Let's give ET. Okay, so here what I will do is I will display both the result, like before changing and after changing. Let's give here as ET before. What is that ET before? Same type I want is what is will be my type is type this type TT underscore EKKO. Then in the values tab again we will value ET after. Okay, type TY underscore EKKO. Same type. Why this one is going red? Okay. Is this clear, guys? So what we will do is we have declared these two variables over there. We'll type this. Okay. IBBLM. That's clear. This one. Names may consist. Okay, sorry. Forgetting to put this. Okay. So now what we have to do is just implement this method. What I will do is I will go to my implementation class. I will go there. I will write a method update underscore custom. Okay, CUSUR. Okay, what we have to write here, guys? The database procedure for HTTP language. Which language we are using? SQL script. Because as we have discussed already, AMDP is a container of. I will show you here what we have learned here. So once again, yeah. So AMDP just another container of SQL script where it store stages, which is key inside of application layer. Okay, so we will use this. There's SQL script here. Then in the using, what we have to use, guys? Previous session we have discussed about all of these words. We have to give the table name. Which table we are using here? We are using here EKKO. Okay, is this clear? Now give here an end method. Close this. Now very simple, guys. I want to fetch the data of from my table. Which table? From my EKKO table. How the data looks before we are updating. So I will do is ET before equals to. This is by SQL query, SQL script. Okay. So select. What I have to select is select EBLN and KUNN are only two fields we want in this case from EKKO. Where? So here you can see we are having one field which is MANDT. MANDT equals to, which is the importing value we are giving as MANDT IV MANDT. Give here as IV underscore MANDT and IV underscore EBLN. And there is my EBLN, EBELN. This is my range. So for range we used to write in where? In our core ABAP, we used to write in our parameter name, or sorry, select option name. Here what I can do is in, so select whatever the value is there in row. select flow from which table? My table is IV underscore EBELN. Okay, IV underscore EBELN. I hope this one is clear, guys. So, and the last what we have to give here is we have to give the semicolon over there. Now, what I want to do is simple, guys, nothing update. I want to update this. What I want to update is I want to update EKKO with that, with what? With Punnar KUNNR equals to, let's take some, what is that? Yeah, let's take some customer from the EKPO table. So, talk out, let's begin again. Go to EKPO. Sorry, go to EKKO. No, we have to fetch the customer details. So go to KNA1. Okay, I will execute this. Let's take a material, for example. Let's take is this and take value which is unconverted. Okay, otherwise there will be some issue with the data type. Now, KUNNR equals to I want to give this. Now again, what I want to create, it should update here where what it will do where MANDT equals to IV underscore MANDT. Okay. And where should be my EBLN? My EBLN is over here. Okay. Copy this. You can paste it here. Okay. Now we have successfully updated this. Now I want to pass what? I want to pass this into my, again I want to pass the value from the EKKO table. I will copy this. Okay. Again you can paste it directly there. Give here as IT underscore, what is my other parameter? ET underscore after. Okay, I hope this one is clear, guys. Okay, now save this. You can check this using shortcuts also. Okay, check this and finally activate this. Second, guys, it's taking time. Oh, so great. Okay, go to the backend. Okay, go to the net. Remove the log from backend. We do this. Okay. Okay. And now with this. Now what we have to do is we cannot directly execute, as okay. Now create a class. Sorry, create a report. New. Go to ABAP program. Okay. Give here as consume update AMDP. Okay. Consume AMDP to update table. Okay. Silicon next. Finally, silicon finish. Okay. Now, nothing, guys. Just what we have to give the input. Okay. Create a selection screen. Begin of block. Everyone. Selection is put in. And block. Everyone. Okay. Give error. S underscore. Now let's give a EBLN for EKK of the EBLN. Okay. Give error tables. 10 over 4 ABAP, guys. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to consume this. Now we can call this directly, or what we will do here is let's create this as a, we can create this guys as a static method also. Okay, save this again, and then finally activate this. We can also do the same also, but I'm created this static method to just tell you how can we do use it. Static method. Okay, just give your class name there. Same, I think many of you know, might be aware of this. Copy this. Give your class name equals to control space update custom control space and plus enter. Okay, uncomment everything. In the IV underscore MAJT, what I will pass is I will pass my system client number. In the IV underscore EBL, I will pass my S underscore EBL, and I want to read the data, so I will pass the body. In EG before, just create a IT underscore before, and here just data IT underscore after. Okay. Now display this. Okay. Loop using the IT statement we will display. Look at IT underscore before into data. And finally end loop. Now what I will do here is I direct nothing guys. Okay. It's a simple program. WA before EBELN WA before my customer. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now what I will do is I will wait for after. Okay. Loop at IT underscore before, sorry, after into data W underscore after and loop right after EBLM after my save. Okay. Finally save this and then save this. Finally activate this. Okay. The successfully activated this. Right click, run as ABP application. Okay. So in the backend, take any purchasing document number. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Go there. Go to your EKKO HC69 first. Okay. HC69. Go to EKKO. Let's take any purchasing document number. Take here as, let's take here as 23. Okay. And see whether is there any value for 23. KU and NR. There's nothing there. I will go there. I'll give my EBL and there. I will execute this. You can see before is empty and there after is 111011. I will go in the back end again. I will go there. This is my purchasing document number. Go back again, refresh this. Paste it directly. Execute this. Okay. Here 23 is there. Look guys, customer is updated successfully. So this through this we can through AMDP we can also do this. So this is all about the concept of this update using the AMDP class. I hope this one is clear to everyone, guys. Okay. Okay. So see you in the next session. So in the next session we will discuss about how can you consume this one AMDP into another AMDP. Okay. Like for example, this is my AMDP for update. If I want to use this AMDP into my another AMDP class, how can we do this? Okay. So we will see that in the next session. In our coming up sessions, we will discuss. So that's all for this session, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.